So yeah, welcome in another video about Proxmox. In this video, Proxmox Backup Server. In the first video, we installed the Proxmox Backup Server on one of the cluster nodes VMs. Here is the VM, and here is the dashboard for that backup server, version 4.1.0 today. So yeah, we have it, but we don't have a data store. And as I told you in the previous video, I have two 2 terabytes disks to sacrifice for that backup storage. I'm going to back up some VMs. Uh, I'm going to do snapshots there, but I'm going to explain that in the next video. So what I should do, I should go to that VM, and in hardware, select add and hard disk, select disk, but I don't have those disks available. So what I should do, probably in that version of Proxmox, I should create ZFS pool first, add those disks to the pool, and then use it in VM. I don't know if maybe there is another way of doing that. I know in different versions you could go to VM and assign disks straight away to that VM, but I don't have that option. So let's do the other way. So yeah, the disks are here. So let's create a ZFS pool. So I'm going to, on my node, not on VM, on the node, I'm going to ZFS, create a ZFS. I'm going to select those disks that I want, both 2 terabytes. I'm going to add some fancy name, ZFS Proxmox Backup Server. Very meaningful because I'm going to forget about it in the next few days, or I won't be able to decipher those fancy shortcuts that I used, like PBS. Yeah, yeah. So I need to add something meaningful. I am an old man now, so I have to use the meaningful stuff. So single disk. Now we have different options here. We have different sets of writes, but I'm going to use mirror. So that's a very self-redundant way of doing that because there's going to be one disk and there's going to be mirror of that disk. If one disk fails, we still have the backups save, but there's a big but, we're losing half of the space. So if we have 4 terabytes now in 2 disks, I'm going to lose half, and I'm going to have around 2 terabytes only. So yeah. So yeah, let's click create, and let's create that ZFS. So yeah, we have the ZFS. We have to add it to the data center. Where's the VM at hard disks? And here we're going to select that stuff. So the newly disk that we created, you see, is around 2 terabytes only. Not cool. Disk size will be in megabytes, so it's going to be 1900 probably. I'm going to select this card, and let's try. Yeah. Yeah, 1750 was working. Maybe I should try with different size, but 1800 didn't work. So yeah, 1.7 gigabytes for that one to use. Let's check data center and storage here for that disk. Yeah, the ZFS disk that we've created is there. Let's confirm that in VM. Yeah, that's the one. Now we should like reboot the machine. Let's reboot that backup server. All right, should be all right. Okay. Let's go now to that IP for that backup server. And let's go down to storage disks. And because we've added that disk here to VM, the backup server should be able to see it now. Let's go to storage disks. Yeah, that's the disk. It's there. The VM can see it, but we need to add that disk to datastore for backups. We have to go to storage directory, and we have to select create directory. So disk, yeah, that's the one, 188 terabyte. File system, X2 is right, name, backups. Looks good. Let's press create. This has been formatted now. As we can see, it has been added to backups. So I think we are golden here at the moment. So yeah, backup server has the data store. Now we should go to our Proxmox, and we should add the Proxmox Backup Server to it, because Proxmox should know about the existence of that backup server. So let's go to Data Center, Storage, add Proxmox Backup Server. That's the one. ID will be PBS server. That's the IP of the server that we used. So let me copy that IP. Yeah, it should have like a letterhead like server IP. That will be more meaningful here. Username. So that's going to be root at ham. My password. Very long one. Nodes. We have nodes. So it's open for all nodes, no restriction, or we can pick up to which node is available, enabled, content backup, data store. We have to pass the name of the data store name. Our name is backups. So yeah, should work. And the fingerprint, yeah, that's the important one. So we have to go to PBS, a dashboard, and here show fingerprint. So let's copy that and let's paste that here. And yeah, let's press add. So yeah, we have the backup server here. And yeah, it should be fine. We should be golden. Yeah, so I guess that's everything for that video. In next video, we're going to create some VMs on that node, maybe on a different node as well. And we're going to create a backup plan for it, validation as well. And yeah, I'll catch you in the next video. Cheerio.